Across the central and western China lies the Qingling Mountains, seen as the backbone of China. Qinghe River and Weihe River converge here, surging forward, fostering dauntless and indomitable souls. Today, standing on the homeland, entrepreneurs are ushering in a new era of their own. They are Yanchang people, not just defenders, but more pioneers. They make concerted efforts to build the most productively and technically influential company in Western China. Shanxi Yanchang Petroleum Group Rubber Company Limited. This is a city with time-honored civilization, integrating the most glorious times in national history. Absorption and tolerance enable it to absorb advantages from others for self-progress, bursting out true wisdom and sparking inspiration. Today, the amalgamation of modern industrial wisdom and reorganization of innovative technology echo to the history, once again becoming a powerful motivation for Yanchang people to head into a new era. Semi-steel and all-steel product series are converged here to meet the different needs of clients. Intelligent production line gets through the most efficient channel from raw materials to products. Diversified combination gives full play to distinctive characteristics. Raw rubber from Southeast Asia. High-end equipment and technology from Europe. World-leading management and R&D and Chinese wisdom have become an organic whole in Yanchang. Breakthroughs in inclusiveness, innovation through integration, through continuous improvement and integration, innovation and upgrading. The tire products produced from Yanchang enjoy perfect design, superior quality, and market popularity. Thousands of years ago, the ancient Silk Road started from here, extending to the west, building a bridge of commercial civilization exchange between the east and the west. Today, following the footsteps of predecessors, Yanchang people deliver products to more remote places. Through one belt and one road, the World Economic Channel once again. Amaze the world with superior products and extraordinary services from China. New era, new journey. When the wheel of history pushes forward, the scientific and technological advance in modern industry, Yanchang people better understand the true meaning of moving forward. From northwest China to the rest of the world, every path leading to the distance, every tire trace of safe driving, every pleasant experience of drivers and passengers will promote Yanchang people to realize the dream, create the future, and pave the way of glory with infinite possibilities.